In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to generate full n8n workflows without manually creating each node. We'll take messy inputs like this and transform them into a fully structured workflow. First, we'll start by creating a new Claude project. I'll give it a simple name. Let's just call it AI n8n flow. Then, Claude asks, what are you trying to achieve? Here, I'll write something short and clear, like, I want Claude to generate complete n8n workflows for me without having to manually build each node. This makes it crystal clear what the project's purpose is, and it sets the stage for everything we'll do next. Once the project is set up, the next step is to give Claude the knowledge it needs. n8n has really solid documentation. The README files explain in detail how workflows, nodes, and triggers work under the hood. Instead of sending Claude dozens of separate files, I actually came across this compiled document online that has the full n8n README in one place. It's basically like an all-in-one instruction manual for building workflows properly. And here's the best part. I'll make this compiled doc available for you to download, so you don't have to spend hours piecing it together yourself. Now that Claude has all the technical knowledge from the n8n docs, the next step is to give it clear project instructions. The purpose of this instruction is simple. It tells Claude exactly how to use the docs to generate full, ready-to-import workflows. I've included the complete instruction along with the compiled n8n README in the video description, so you can access it anytime. Now that the project instructions are in place, Claude understands how to use the technical knowledge. The next step is to create a prompt, but this one isn't for generating the workflow just yet. Instead, it's a prompt for Claude itself to tell us exactly what it needs in order to build the workflow correctly. So I'll ask Claude the following. Provide a clear framework or step-by-step guidelines for crafting a prompt that will allow me to generate a fully importable n8n workflow with maximum accuracy and proper structure. Once Claude gives us that framework, we don't actually need to sit there and figure it out ourselves. Instead, we can simply take that framework and hand it over to ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. So here's the flow. I'll copy Claude's framework into ChatGPT, and then I'll ask it, help me craft a precise prompt using the framework you provided that I can give to my n8n workflow builder agent to generate complete, ready-to-import workflows. Right under that, I'll also describe the specific workflow I want to build. This part is totally up to you. You just need to explain, in plain language, what kind of flow you want ChatGPT to understand. The key is, the clearer you are here, the better the final prompt will be, and the better Claude's workflow output will turn out. Once ChatGPT has generated the final prompt, the next step is to bring it back to Claude. Start a new chat inside the same project, and switch over to Claude Opus 4.1. That's the version designed for coding and structured outputs. From there, just paste the prompt in and let Claude do its magic. In a few moments, you'll get a ready-to-import JSON file. Download it, then head into n8n and upload it directly. And there you have it. The only thing left is to set up the credentials for certain nodes, and you're good to go. If you want to learn more about AI, don't forget to subscribe, and drop a comment below with the types of videos or ideas you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.